Welcome to the Sony booth. They have got a lot going on, so let's check it out. These are Sony's micro LED displays, but they also have mini LED displays. What's that? Let's show you. This is a Sony mini LED display. Instead of having one LED to backlight the whole TV or a couple, multiple, they have thousands of mini LEDs. So this section they can turn on super bright, and this section they can leave super black. So you'll see on this display, there's some areas that are so bright, but then other areas that can be so black, and you still have all the detail. That's because of the mini LED adjusting the brightness efficiently throughout the entire screen. This is a micro LED panel. The great thing about these is each individual pixel is its own light and color source. So there's nothing between you and the colors and the light. So it makes for a bright, vibrant display. The other thing that's great about these is you can custom build the displays to the size you want, so you're limited only by your imagination. Choosing tech for your home, it's all about managing compromises. With TVs, we know that OLEDs have extremely good black, LED TVs have extremely great bright levels. This is their new OLED technology they're showing off. Instead of using a white light that before, if you turned up the brightness on an OLED, it would drain the colors or wash out the colors, they have a new blue light technology that shines through. So we're able to get the brightness you want from a mini LED or an LED TV on an OLED without washed out colors. So we get these great black levels, but we still get great colors that aren't washed out. So the reality is Sony has two new TV technologies that have closed that gap and minimized those compromises. So you can have a wonderful OLED or wonderful mini LED. Both are fantastic options. A lot of you guys are big Sony fans, and if you could, you'd put Sony everywhere in the house. But you have one or two locations where you want the TV to look more discreet. So you put in a different TV that's actually meant to look like art, but it's not a high quality TV. Now Sony's partnered with Leon. They have a frame you can add to the highest end Sony TV and an app that works with Google TV. So you can still have the best Sony TV in your house, and it still looks great when you turn it off. Best of both worlds. One of the things that's unique about Sony is not only do they own a movie production studio, they're the only company in the world that produces every piece of equipment needed to produce the videos that we watch and see. From video cameras to TVs that handle the editing and the color grading and the color calibration to the actual cinema quality projectors that we watch in the movie theaters or at home. So they're the only company that can combine all this technology under one umbrella. That allows that technology to trickle down to the consumers, which gives us some of the best technology first. Good and black, better, not quite best, and absurd. That is big. Sony's also the only company that makes TVs, receivers, and Blu-ray players. It means you can plug it all in and they play nice together, which means for you, a better user experience. They also play nice with professional installers and integrators, which is great. So it works great with Savant, it works great with Control4 and Oversee, which means that we can diagnose and fix your system remotely more easily. It also works with Sonos, which means that if you have a Sonos system, you can use your Sonos app to turn on the music in your home theater, adjust the volume, and enjoy that fantastic music and sound on the best speakers in your house. As expected, Sony had an incredible booth with lots to be excited about in the future. Make sure you check out our other videos with other great finds from the show.